Welcome to Paperguide, your all-in-one research platform. It helps you analyze documents, find research-backed answers, conduct literature reviews, and extract data. Save your research and collaborate with others seamlessly with Reference Manager. Use AI Writer to help you write and edit while ensuring authenticity through automatic citations. Chat with PDF helps in reading and analyzing research papers, lecture notes, or any other PDF document. It provides 3 suggested questions, summary and highlight options, and custom questions to deep dive. Ask follow-up questions and click citations to check the reference page. Add the document to Reference Manager and explore more features to explore the document. AI search helps find research-backed answers to your questions or find specific research papers on topics you want to understand. It will analyze relevant papers and respond with a detailed answer including citations. Read the abstract of the cited paper or copy its citation, deep dive the paper further with chat, and add it to Reference Manager. Literature review helps your research by finding relevant papers from public research database of 200 million papers and compare them across multiple parameters. It provides summary and a list of 5 to 8 relevant papers and their insights by default. Explore more papers using Load More. Add relevant papers to Reference Manager, copy citations, open the paper, or go to the source DOI. To refine your list, use various filters or delete not-so-relevant papers. Use any of the 20 predefined columns or define your own customized columns. Columns offer a simple way to evaluate the strengths and gaps of multiple papers across different parameters like research question, key findings, etc. It also helps to look for connection among papers to see if research gaps and limitations of one are bridged by others and so on. Once you screen papers and add relevant columns, export into BIB, CSV, or Excel formats. Extract data helps compare and extract information from documents in your references. It can extract from 100 documents at a time. Add columns that you need, create and edit custom columns, and prepare your data for extraction. Once done, export the data into the format of choice. Reference Manager lets you save references from multiple sources. Add research papers, web pages, and any PDF or docx files. Import references from Zotero as well. It opens up multiple options to extract info from papers, add notes, and share them with others. It allows for arranging papers into folders and add tags for easy access. Chat with multiple documents to draw insights and sync up your learning from diverse sources and provide ideas for new hypotheses and projects. Share folders and invite others to collaborate with options to view, edit, and add notes. Highlight a section and add notes that can be viewed by all shared users. With its inbuilt writing, editing, and citation support, Paperguide's AI Writer can help speed up the writing process, whether it is for research writing or articles and essays in general. Generate the document outline with a prompt and select the citation format. Use Ask AI for seeding initial sentences or editing and paraphrasing. It automatically adds citations along with generated content and provides options to improve the writing, change the tone, simplify the text, and even to translate it. You can add citations manually as well. The list of citations gets added to the reference section at the end of the document. Once the content is ready, Paperguide's built-in plagiarism checker helps to ensure there are no gaps in citations and avoid similarities from existing research. Plagiarism score helps understand the level of originality and the corrections needed further. You can also see individual plagiarism matches, with options to review and adjust each one as needed.